In today's video, we are going to learn how to draw a circle in Sketchup. Once again, welcome back to your own channel, Kare. To draw a circle, we have to click on this icon, circle, call circle, or we can press C key in the keyboard. Like this is you can see your mouse has turned into blue and it shows a circle. For circle, we can draw this like simply circle. I am dragging and drawing. This is the circle. The same circle I have to draw with measurement. Same circle I have to draw the measurement. I have to do just simply click, and before clicking the second point, I have to type the size of the circle. Like I require this size over 200 feet. I will type 200 without clicking anywhere on the screen or on right bottom corner. This shows you can see on the right bottom corner is showing the size of the radius of the circle. So without clicking anywhere on the screen or clicking on the mouse, I have to type 200 and then feet and then press the enter. This circle is of a 200 feet in size.